Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel, a simple technique to create successful drawing. Choose an object or scene that can be represented with minimal detail, such as a tree, a simple landscape, an animal outline, or a face. This reduces the need for excessive lines. Before drawing, mentally break down the subject into essential parts that can be drawn in favor. Strokes. Think about figures are the most important to include. Concentrate on drawing the basic contours of the object. The outlines of the subject usually captures most of the necessary detail. For example, for a tree, focus on the trunk and main branches. Instead of drawing every detail, use lines that suggest from the structure. For example, a few lines can suggest fold in cloth or a curve of a face. Divide the subject into different parts and assign a specific number of lines to each. Varying the thickness of your lines adds depth, and thicker lines can sketch shadows or important parts, while thinner lines can indicate. Thanks for watching this video.